Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Let's say you've spilled something on your carpeting. In the thumbnail, you saw the blue carpeting. That's in my office. I spilled grease, but I have a trick for you. Or if you've spilled any other sort of liquid on your carpeting and you're thinking to yourself, oh my word, what am I gonna do? You just need one simple thing, and it is cheap, my friend. Can you guess what it is? And no, it is not baking soda. It is, dun dun dun, Argo cornstarch. 100% pure, gluten-free, stay fresh container. Thickens sauces and gravies. Great for baking. This isn't just for baking, my friend. This is for your carpeting. So let's say you have a grease stain. What you're going to do is you're going to sprinkle it wherever your grease stain is, and you're going to get it all saturated in your carpet. By the way, you can do this with stuffed animals if you need to freshen those up, give those a good clean. And you're going to let this sit anywhere, I would say, from 15 to 20 minutes so that it can fully soak up the grease. You use this to make gravy, to thicken it up. And that's what you want to happen with any sort of liquid that you're spilling on your carpeting. Now, once that's been sitting for 15 minutes or so, then you're gonna come back and do this. And voila, suck that up. Now, if you find there is still a stain on your carpeting, there's a playlist linked in the description box below, which is all things stain removal, carpet included. So make sure that you check that out. Also, check out this video on screen now, which are some clever shaving cream hacks. Give the video a thumbs up, sign up for the weekly newsletter, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.